Today we're making this amazing shrimps and gizzard recipe that's very easy to make. It turned out super delicious. Having this with your fried yam chips or french fries, you will love it. Let's get started. First, we're going to blend the vegetables. So to my blender, I added in onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, red bell pepper, water, then covered it and then blended until almost smooth. Next is to add your gizzard. Make sure you wash it, it's very clean. Add it to your saucepan. Add in some of the blended onion mix, 1 shrimp cube and salt. Stir and make sure everything has come together, and then let it cook for at least 10 minutes for you to check if the salt is okay. Add in just a little bit of water, just enough water to help cook. You want it to be soft to help cook it, and then let it cook until it is ready. So this took from 30 to 45 minutes. Once it was ready, go ahead and preheat your oil and fry this bad boys. I always say bad boys. Someone asks, when are you going to say bad girl? So stay close to it and fry until it is ready. You're looking for this and take it out from the oil. Next is to fry your shrimps as well. So go ahead, fry your shrimps until it is ready. This is a simple, easy recipe, and trust me, you will love it. It was very nice. So to the same oil, I took some out and then I added in the rest of the blended onion mix, added in some of the stock from the gizzard. I cooked it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it was halfway cooked, and then I went in with my dry shrimp powder and then the Harris powder. I added in vegetable seasoning and then I stirred till well combined before going in with the vegetables. So these are the vegetables that I used: carrots, bell peppers and onion. Stir and make sure everything has come together. Let it cook for some minutes more and go in with your gizzard and the shrimp. So basically that's it, guys. It's very simple, very easy, but it turned out delicious. Delicious. You will love it. You will love it. Please try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. So stay close to it and stir it and make sure everything has come together. Make sure everything is on point, and then that's it. You're good to go. So keep it aside, and if you have to fry your yam, your chips, anything at all you want to pair with this, trust me, you will love it. It was amazing and it was super delicious. So I paired mine with some fried yam chips, and you're good to go. Just look at this. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow my page, guys. Just look at this. Wow. It was quite unfortunately that I'm not feeling well, so I couldn't eat this. I had to give it out. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.